Hi everyone and welcome to Dobby's Signature. In this video, we'll be learning how to make this creamy, dreamy chicken Alfredo pasta that's super easy and perfect for any day of the week. Let's get right into it. For the full list of ingredients and recipe, do check the description below. Let's get cooking. So we'll start by cooking the chicken. For the chicken, season with salt, chili powder, garlic powder, and black pepper. Work into it to mix properly. Heat olive oil in a large pan and cook the chicken for about 5 to 7 minutes on each side until golden and fully cooked. Once it's done, take it out and set it aside. Can you see the oily broth in the pan? That's important if you want to add some extra flavor to your dish, so don't wash the pan off. In the same pan, add the onion and stir fry till translucent. Add the minced garlic and leave to fry for 1 minute. Then add the butter. Let it sizzle for a minute. Smells amazing. Now pour in your heavy cream. Add your pepper, salt, and basil seasoning and bring it to a gentle simmer. Add your Parmesan cheese and stir until the sauce thickens. Add the chicken and mix. If it feels too thick, you can add a splash of the pasta water to loosen it up before adding the pasta. Set this aside. Next, boil your pasta in salted water according to package instructions. You want it al dente, tender, but with a little bite. Don't forget to save about half a cup of that pasta water before you drain it. You can use it to soften the pasta sauce before adding the pasta. Add the cooked pasta into the sauce. Toss it all together until every strand is creamy and coated. Garnish with fresh parsley and an extra sprinkle of Parmesan if you're feeling cheesy. This chicken Alfredo is rich, flavorful, and totally comforting. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a delicious upload. See you in the next one.